Hi and welcome to Click, Pop, Engage. In this training video I'm going to show you how to build your very first pop. So we've landed on the Click, Pop, Engage page here. We're going to click down on the Pop Builder button. That will lead you into the Pop Builder screen. So we're going to add new. And we're going to name our pop weight loss pop. And we're going to start with a blank template. For those of you who have purchased the templates upgrade, you'll be able to pick one of the pop-up templates by clicking on pop-up templates. So now you're into the Pop Builder section. So what we can do is we start off with a blank canvas. We can add an image as a background or the background color. On the left hand side you'll see you've got the settings, the elements. So here you can add text, image, video, a button, a field for a form, or some code. And then if we scroll down to the element settings, you can change the width, the height, and the thickness of the border, the color of the border, the style of the border, so you can do dotted, dashed, or double border, and your background color. So you can pick any color on the scale, or you can insert the color code down the bottom. In this case, we're going to add a background image. So you'll see the pop-up box. I've clicked upload image, and it allows me to upload an image for the background. And we can choose one of these images here. So we'll choose the yoga girl, and we can see the dimensions here are 620 by 349. So as you can see, the image is uploaded successfully. And we're going to change the sizing to 620 by 349, the same size as the image. Now we've got a good background to work on. We're going to give the image we'll give it a grey border. And we're going to pick a solid border style, but we're going to make it a little bit thicker by increasing the border size. Perfect. Now we're going to add some text up the top. So we click the text button and we highlight the text and we start writing what we need to write. So we're going to call this pop here, "Is there a better way to work out?" is going to be the headline there. And then to change the text size, you highlight the text and you get the toolbar. So you can choose what size you want it to be. It could be any of the text sizes we have here, and we can format it by changing the size of the text box, and we can center it, we can make it bold, and make the size as we please. And we are going to make that color, we'll make it a ready color. And we're going to insert another text box to make a little below headline saying, "Hey, we have something new to see below." Cool. So we're going to make a little sub-headline. Now we're going to insert some form fields to capture a lead. So we click the field button and we can choose what type it is, a name or an email. This one's going to be the name. We'll put the text in there saying enter your name. Perfect, now that one's in. Move it off to the side. We'll insert another one that says enter your email. And now we're going to need a submit button. So we'll click on button and we'll put that down there as well. And it's going to be the submit form. You can make it a link to redirect to another page as well if you like. And we're going to call this find out more. And we change the size of the button. You can play with the font size with the buttons as well. You can make it bigger, you can make it bold or lighter or normal, and you can change the text color as well. So in this case we might want it to be like purple or whatever. We're going to keep it white, and you can change the background color of the button too. So we can make the button red and the border as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of customizable options with building your pop. And so we've got one there as well. Now, if you're one of the people that wants to add a video to your pop, you can simply do this by clicking the video button, and you can place it anywhere you want. And what you do is you just insert a YouTube link. So if we go to YouTube, let me find a fitness video. And we copy the link to a fitness video. We pop that in there. Perfect. Now you see you've got a video in your pop which will play when it pops up. You can select to play it. So, but in this case, I'm not going to use a video. So it's as simple as that to create your very first pop.